Yo, 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿 over here, and this is BMW 528 luxury spec, and it is super affordable at only 14,000 plus depreciation. Now let's have a closer look. 241 horsepower, rear wheel drive. As you can see, the body is absolutely flawless, not a single stretch or dent. Very greatly maintained. Boot space is very large and fully electric. A lot of space behind for your passenger, and rear passenger aircon. Leather is in immaculate condition. Fully electric seats with memory. Let's go in. Interior is in absolutely fantastic condition. Multifunctional steering wheel with electric adjustment. Very low mileage, as you can see, only 89,000 plus. Your infotainment system is here. This is the controller, and of course this car comes with reverse camera. Have another look. This ride is selling with 10-year new COE. On terms of depreciation, we are looking at 14,000 plus. Now, this is the cheapest 528 luxury spec on the market. So, do not hesitate. You all know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.